Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. If you have any questions at the end of this video, make sure to shoot us an email or call us. Let's get started. As you look across the front, you'll notice that it sports the one-piece bumper that is like new. You can also see that the grille is phenomenal along with the rest of the chrome and the stainless. This is an AACA Grand National winner. You can see how straight the body is and how perfect the stainless lines up. Let's look at the inside. It's done in the two-tone blue color combination that flows beautifully with the exterior. Just like the exterior, every piece of trim is like new, and as we look across the dash, you'll notice that the gauges are in excellent condition. This 57 has the radio upgraded to FM and is working. As we come on around, you'll notice that the door panels appear to have been replaced along with the seat covers, carpet, and steel plates. Now that we checked out that stunning interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. You can notice how well that door shuts and fits. And as we make our way around the back, we can see that the fit of the trunk is near perfect. We can also see that the rear bumper is beautiful along with the taillight trim and the lenses. As we make our way around the passenger side, we can see that the power top is down, and we also have a blue boot to match the interior. As you can see, all of the gaps are even and symmetrical, and that the Harbor Blue looks phenomenal. This is the factory color option for this 57 and it has been polished to a mirror finish. To finish off, the stance is sitting on the 14-inch steel wheels and the Chevrolet hubcaps and the white wall tires. Come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this 1957 Chevrolet. It's powered by the 283 V8 engine. As we can see, this 57 looks like it would have when new on the showroom floor. The detail is phenomenal with the engine being dressed in the factory style valve covers and the air cleaner. It even has the generator. It's set up with the correct intake and the Rochester 2-barrel carb. When you look under it, you can see that the floors and the frame are in phenomenal condition. Everything is solid, and for exhaust, it has manifolds with the single exhaust and stock style muffler. The V8 is mated to the 3-speed manual trans and the stock style rear end. All of the suspension is in great condition, and under the front are all new bushings and ball joints that have been installed. Thanks again for tuning into Smoky Mountain Traders. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.